Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to set up an online store in Wings. Whether you're selling products, services, or digital downloads, Wings makes it easy to create a professional online store. So let's get started. First, log into your Wings account and then open your website and the Wings Studio. Now from here, you just need to create a new website. Now here under category, go to type and select e-commerce. Now you just have to find here any of the e-commerce website, and then we can basically click on edit button. Now add a store page, just click on the plus icon at the top left and then go to the store options. And then here you will find some options like the grid product gallery, slider product gallery, related products, cart icon or the add to cart button, and currency converter. So for example, here I'm going to add this one and it will automatically add to your page. Now, once your store up is added, you'll see a new store menu in the left sidebar, or you can basically just click on this product view and then you just have to click and select manage products. Then you'll go to your dashboard. And here, as you can see, you can basically see all your product and you can add a new product by clicking on the new product button right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. And once you click on the new product, as you can see, you'll find physical product and digital file. So basically I'm going to add physical product. And then here you can manage your product. You can add your name, price, description, and images. And you can also set up product options like the size and the color. So once you've added all the necessary details, just click on the save button at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now if you go back to your website, so basically you can customize the design of your product page to match your brand. So just click on the product page in the Wings editor to select it and then use the design tool to change the layout, colors, fonts, and other design or elements. So make sure your product pages are easily appealing and easy to navigate. Now you can set up your payment method. Just go to settings on your dashboard, and from here just need to select the accept payments right there at the top right. And once you click on this one, as you can see, you can basically choose the payment methods you want to offer, such as credit cards or PayPal or other payment gateways, and follow the prompts to connect your payment accounts. Now you can configure your shipping and tax settings to ensure accurate charges for your customers. So you can go to the shipping options. You just have to set up your shipping rates and methods based on your shipping policy, and then you just have to configure your tax rates for different regions. And now, before you publish your website, it's important to preview and test your online store. Just click on the preview button at the top right, and then here you can see how your store looks and function, and test the shopping cart and checkout process to ensure everything is working properly. Now, once you're satisfied with your online store, it's time to publish your website to make your store live. And that's it. You've learned how to set up an online store in Wings. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more website designs, tips, and tutorials. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video.